legal malpractice in cases that attorneys should not have made the mistakes that they made. Good afternoon. I'm Neil Burns. I'm a lawyer here at Burns Jain at 6 Beacon Street, Boston, and I've been asked to talk a little bit about mistakes lawyers make and what they shouldn't have made in the context of legal malpractice and the types of cases that we take. I've been representing victims of legal malpractice for over 30 years. I've been at this address here in Boston, 6 Beacon Street, since 1987. And there's too long of a list to list the types of cases that lawyers make mistakes in. But what are the types of cases that happens in? You know, it typically happens in blowing the statute of limitations or failing to call critical witnesses, failing to investigate the case, failing to prosecute the case, screwing up on what we call civil procedure, failing to answer interrogatories. The attorney has a personal problem and therefore starts making mistakes. There's a host of reasons, types of mistakes. And the question really is, if we can show that they made a mistake, was that the cause of your harm? Did they lose you rights because of it? Sometimes the case will settle and you'll say, well, if he had only called this witness, or if she had only followed through on looking at these tax returns of my exes or my opponents. And sometimes they're right. And sometimes there's a paper trail that makes it crystal clear. Those are the types of mistakes they made. Sometimes it's more complicated. So if you think your attorney made a mistake, regardless of what type of mistake it is, give us a call. It's a free initial consultation. We want to help you. We will help you if we can show that. So we've got to show the duty, the breach of duty, the fact that the breach of their duty, the mistake that they made, was the cause of your damages, and that you do have damages. They're measurable to some degree, some ability to measure the damages, and that we could collect on those damages. Call Burns Jain. It's a free initial consultation, 617-227-7423. Thank you.